Literally, that was literally a 2-second wheelie. I've never done that before. We are going 15 miles an hour up this hill, which is pretty cool. That's actually surprising. I didn't think it would be able to do that. So, all right, people. Today we're looking at the CYCROWN CycRun. It's a $650 full-fledged cruiser e-bike. It has a 48-volt, 10.4 amp hour battery, so not very big. A 750 watt motor in the back. They claim to have 1,000 watts peak. We'll check it out. We'll find out. It has just one gear, 5 pedal assist levels. It has full suspension, so you got suspension forks, you got this nice robust spring in the back, which is really nice at this price point. It has mechanical disc brakes, which you would expect, again, for $650. And it has 160 millimeter rotors. We'll check out the stopping power. I don't think that really matters. It's got the headlight and a tail light and the built-in fenders. It's got the 20x4-inch tires with the nice tread to do a little bit of light off-road, especially with the full suspension. And a nice comfortable seat, got a nice, like, really cool style to it. And we're gonna check it out, okay? It's got a monochrome display, pretty small. You push this button here, it comes on. Push this button here for a couple seconds, and the headlight comes on, and the tail light comes on, okay? You got pedal assist levels with these bars, you got battery power, you got speed, you got how many miles you've gone distance. It has a nice horn, actually has blinkers, so you can see here on the back on that tail light, it actually illuminates left or right, which is pretty cool. Nice little frills for your money. And yeah, it's just a nice looking bike for the price, you know. 650 bucks, people. I mean, a year or two ago this would have been like $1,800. So the prices are really coming down, and you're getting a lot for your money here, you know. And I like the styling, I like the look and feel of their logo. It's kind of minimalistic, but it looks good with the color, the black and then the orange. I like the seat, I like the styling on the light with the cage. And just a nice looking bike, you know. And the full suspension at this price point, pretty surprising. So anyway, we're gonna take it for a ride and see what she's all about, okay? We're gonna do the grass test. This thing does not have a lot of torque, so I'm kind of concerned that it's not gonna really get moving, but let's see. Oh boy. Keep in mind, 650, you know what I mean? So it's like you're not expecting much. The fact it's got full suspension, you're already winning, you know? But yeah, it's got some really slow takeoff. I'm thinking it's got a 750 watt motor, but it feels more like a 500 with maybe 750 peak. It just does not have a lot of torque. But to even get 750 peak at this price point, you know, you're freaking winning all day long. So not concerned about that at all. And you know, 10.4 amp hour battery, that's pretty small. That's like half of what a Super 73 gives you, just for comparison. So, you know, you're probably going to get like 18 to 20 miles, you know, 20 maybe on the top end. And if you're pedaling, maybe a little bit more. It does top out at 20. You might be able to kind of mess with the settings. Sometimes if you press plus and minus at the same time for like 3 seconds, you can mess with the settings and maybe get it up higher. I'm not sure. That's something to consider. So we're going to do top speed test, and then we're going to do throttle test, or pedal assist test. So right now I just have it in pedal assist 5, and we're doing throttle only. I'm 208 pounds, just weighed myself. For those who have been following my journey, I'm actually down about 20-something pounds. So yeah, it peaks at 20, and then it just stops. So definitely 20. And let's do pedal assist test. Let's see, let's put it in pedal assist 1. Again, no gears, so you just have the one gear. Pedal assist 1, you're at about 10 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2, you're like 12 miles an hour. Pedal assist 3, you're at 15. Pedal assist 4, you're at 18. Pedal assist 5, you're at 20. So yeah, that's kind of the pedal assist levels. Does not have a lot of torque, so we're gonna try to go up. I usually go up a really steep hill. I know I'm not gonna make it up it, so we're gonna go up this hill instead and see if we can make it up this. The hill I usually go up is like 10 to 12%. This is more like 6 to 8. We're gonna get to the bottom and we're gonna see if we can make it up. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna try to get a little momentum, and we're gonna try to go up this hill with what do you call it? Throttle only, and we'll see. And then we'll get a little bit of pedal assist in a minute and see if we can get up that with pedal assist. So we're flat. It's gonna go down for a second and then it's gonna go up. Okay, so we're at 20. So we're hitting it with 20 miles an hour speed. Right about now, it's like 6% or 7% grade. Okay. I ride my bike with a computer, my regular road bike with a computer, and it tells me like grades of hills. So I'm pretty familiar with a lot of these hills. We are going 15 miles an hour up this hill, which is pretty cool. Throttle only, so not bad, you know. That's actually surprising. I didn't think we would be able to do that, so that's pretty surprising. Pretty cool. Do a little off-roading for you, see what that's all about. A little bit of choppiness, not feeling it. Suspension's working right. Don't feel it in the butt, don't feel it in the handlebars. Do a little bit of dirt, see what that's all about. So yeah, I mean, it's a little dual sport capability. With these tires, you can totally do some light off-road. And as long as it's flat, you know, nice fire road, nice, really hard-packed path, dirt path, you know. I've got some traction with these tires. Like, look, I'm doing some S-turns, you know, carving, if you will. And, yeah. So there you have it. So all these motors come from China. They're all 750, but some of them have just significantly more torque. I reviewed a bike recently, and it had a lot of torque, you know. Some of them do, some of them don't. This one's just on the low end, you know. But like, you're not going to get an amazing motor for $650. You're just not, you know. All right, buddy, watch you down. Hello, thank you. Yeah, I mean, you can totally do these trails, man. This will be fun, you know. Flat or just slight hill trails, you're rocking all day. You're living large. You're loving life, you know. And the grass, totally, total grass beast. Can handle it, absolutely. These little downy uppies. Look at this downy uppie. See that? Isn't that something? All day long, people. All day long. Just kind of a little momentum. You know what I mean? And then you're so rock solid. Brake test, not bad. Shit. Didn't want to leave a mark, but yeah, not bad. Brakes are pretty good. So yeah. I'm trying, people. I'm doing my best. I'm trying to do the wheelie thing. So yeah, that's it, people. This is the CYCROWN bike, 650, 48 volt, 10 amp hour, 10.4 amp hour, 750 watt, full suspension, mechanical disc brakes, 160 millimeter rotors. And it's got a horn, it's got blinkers, it's got lights, it's got a tail light. Pretty cool stuff. So I mean, great for a person who doesn't have a lot of money. They're on a budget and they want to commute to work, or you know, with some friends, or take the kids to the park, or you know, a lot of times people are riding with their younger kids who are on like pedal scooters, or you know, like, what do you call it, like push scooters. or regular bikes and you kind of want to just chillax, you're after work, you're tired, you want to ride something that's electric, so you jump on this for $650. Get one for you and the wife. I mean, crap, you know, you're solid with this kind of price. And you know, can't expect much more, you know. I mean, Jesus, I would not expect full suspension. I just wouldn't, you know. I would fully expect the 48 volt 10 amp hour. I would fully expect the mechanical disc brakes, 160 millimeter rotors. That's all totally standard. But the fact that you've got full suspension and a 750 watt motor, even if it peaks at that, as opposed to a 500 watt motor, that's crazy. So yeah, I've reviewed the Mac Fox in the past. I was actually talking to somebody recently who was like, oh, I was selling one of these bikes, but they were like, oh, one of our friends had a Mac Fox, should we get that? And I'm like, oh, you know. So people know about the Mac Fox. This thing's better. It's got a little more torque, it's got a bigger motor, and all things being equal, it's about the same, but it's got a little bit more torque, believe it or not. And I don't know, it just seems a little bit more durable, sturdy, you know what I mean? It's kind of got that it factor, like things don't jiggle and jangle and, you know, rattle. So yeah, that's the CYCROWN by CYCROWN 650. Check them out. And that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I always get back to my commenters. And we'll see you next time. God bless. Peace out. Yes.